What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle and I am back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are the bomb.com. Now in today's video, I am coming in hot with a business cash stuffing update video. So I want to share what it's been like to bring in some income from my website, RochelleAdamson.com, and share with you how I plan to budget and spend it. So if that's something you'd be interested in, then stick around. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for 7,400 subscribers. Wow, wow. If you had told me that this is something that could have been possible in this calendar year, I would have been like, you're right. But just as a quick welcome to everyone new who's here, my name is Rochelle and I reside on the island of Oahu, Hawaii with my husband Micah and our daughter Eva. We live a budget life, y'all. So we use cash and we are on a journey to pay off our mortgage by the end of 2021 or roundabout, while also living our best life. We do live a life where we still are going to do some things on our debt-free journey because life is way too short. If that's something you'd be interested in, then hit the subscribe button, stay a while, hit the like button also to show YouTube that you are enjoying the content that you are tuned in to watch. And thank you. A second thank you to everyone who has just been shopping and supporting my business, RochelleAdamson.com. This income right here is just proof that it's possible, guys. So if you're thinking about starting that business, definitely do it. But also know that no month and no week is the same. You just never know what it's going to be like. And so I'm going to try to be more intentional and share that income with you guys on a more regular basis. Right now, my aim is to share this content with you at least twice a month because I do get payouts regularly so far and I don't want to let it build up too much. It's just easier for me to manage our budgets if it's done more frequently. So enough said. Let's dive in. So we will be just using $20 bills just to keep it simple today. And I'm going to dive into my budget planner, which of course you can grab at RochelleAdamson.com anytime. And I want to share with you guys what our budget is looking like. Okay, so for the dates September 21st to October 1st, I was able to bring in an income of $246.99, which is just so crazy. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. I want to believe it, but I just can't believe it. Thank you guys for an awesome month. Let's talk about how it got spent. So first up, I had some expenses that totaled $56.85, and it went a little like this. First off, Etsy, and I supported some Etsy shops and some small businesses, made some purchases, definitely some savings challenges from some other channels, and that came to $5. I had a Printify bill totaling $32.74 for some products that were purchased from my website, and I had an Amazon bill totaling $14.82. I also purchased some office supplies for $8.81. Pretty much both of those purchases were for my business. And then I had to pay PayPal for a shipping order that totaled $3.85. So if you deduct that $56.85, that left me with $190.14 left to budget. I decided to take $180 out for cash. And here is how we broke it down. Now, I normally put 30% of our income to the side for taxes, which would technically be $74. But since we're working with only 20s today, I only took 60 out for taxes. I did leave the other 14 in the bank. And that's just including the balance that I already had in my business checking account. You know what it is. Next up is shipping. Shipping will get 20, bills will get 60, and my P.O. box will get 20, and we are going to give $20. That left me with $10.14 in my account, and I just left it there to roll over. So I am just so excited. So excited to be able to stuff some cash already again. This is going to be my second time using my business cash envelopes and stuffing them. And there go my rooster. I promised he was not rooting He wasn't doing anything all day till now. But anyway, this is my zippy organizer that I had DIY'd by Sanai, So Crafty Sanai, here on YouTube, and she just did her thing. I mean, she did that. So this is my income cash envelope. Normally I guess I would have had the cash in there, but we're just gonna keep it moving. So next up, I want to put some money to the side for taxes. So $60. I can tell right now this is gonna hurt. This is going to hurt, putting all this into taxes every single time I make a little income. It's not cute. It's not cute, but it's necessary, because I don't want no problems with the federales. Where is my Sharpie? I feel like I'm always getting robbed in this house. Who took my Sharpie? I know it was one of them, because I'm way organized, and if it's not in my top drawer, hold on, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, so never mind, it was just at the bottom of the drawer. Sorry, y'all, didn't mean that. Okay, we're gonna add $60, and that's gonna give us a total of $80. And I don't know if I feel like putting the dates and stuff in here, but we'll just say deposit and deposit. So cool, $80 off top for taxes. Next up, spending. I'm not adding anything to, because I couldn't think of anything that I really needed to buy for my business right now. Next up is shipping. Yes. Shipping is going to get $20, so now it has $40. So that was a deposit, and then we're going to do another deposit of $20. I'm just floored that I'm already able to stuff these. Like, a week ago, I didn't even know if I was going to use this. Like, I didn't know if I would have enough income to be stuffing, you know, on camera. So it just shows you just got to go with it. Next up is, we're not going to stuff office or equipment. Products, no. We're going to stuff these bills, though. Yes, we are. Bills is getting $60. That's the word on the street, y'all, because I got Canva to help pay for. I've had to pay to register my business, but I want to get ready and save the money for that for next go round. And then my website, Wix. And if you notice, I know some of you guys have noticed, I made my first Etsy sale. Shout out to the first customer, my first Etsy customer, y'all. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. I'm basically trying out using Etsy for some things versus my Wix website, because y'all, Wix is high. And I've been with Wix a long time because I have, you know, several websites for, you know, my different businesses, and I just feel like they are just creeping up. I don't know, the domain was fine, but I felt like the access to your website so people can shop and, you know, buy, you know, have it ready, commerce ready, is higher. I just felt like I just paid it like a few months ago, and it was like $300 something. And I'm like, if I'm paying for the year, I should feel like I got a little discount. Anyway, we are going to see, would I rather pay it all at once with Wix, which is my type of energy. I don't like to pay for bills, you know, every month. But Etsy, they got all them fees, listing fees, and all types of stuff. So we're just going to see. We're going to see which one is better. I am fortunate that my website has a lot of foot traffic at all times so far. So far I make way more money on Wix. Like, all of this income is definitely my Wix income. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, depositing another $60, and now we got $70 for the bills. Yeah, $70 for bills. Y'all, I just can't put it into words. I'm having trouble like talking in this video because I guess I'm like, I don't know, I'm excited, but I'm more shocked that I'm able to stuff income that's not YouTube income, that's not any of my other side hustles. This is like my newest side hustle, if I'm being honest. I just feel like my website is just like really taking off, and I'm just so thankful. Thank you guys so much. Next up is P.O. Box. It is going to get $20, and this is also for marketing, like if I want to pay for some advertisements or, you know, any type of marketing stuff. I haven't had to do that yet, which is awesome, but I definitely want to keep my eyes open for that. Okay, then next up, the last one is giving, because y'all, we gotta give. You know how I feel. I have a giving heart. It's in my spirit, always. Okay, so we deposited $20, and that gives us a balance of $20. So it's coming together. It is coming together. I love it. Thank you so much, Sanai, for these fly envelopes and this bomb DIY job you did. And this wallet is so huge, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. It's huge. It's absolutely huge. So yeah, that is our second business cash stuffing for RochelleAdamson.com. Definitely feel free to check it out. I call it a work in progress. I'm still adding to the website, and I'm still switching out products and everything. And I'm also making sure that I have a lot of free resources on there. And I get a lot of questions asking me about my website itself, like who did my website, because if you go back and watch any of my older videos, you know that I had actually invested in my business earlier this year, and I spent 4 months cash flowing the rebranding of my website, and I really am enjoying it. And it's just not even my website, but my business in general. So I was able to work with a brand manager, Aisha, who is just amazing over at Envision Creative Art, and she put this, like, I gave her all my dreams, hopes, dreams, and wishes, and she really put my website together. The other thing I want to talk to you guys about real quick too, I just be remembering stuff, hold tight. Okay, so I'm trying to answer some questions that I get sometimes in my DMs. I'm not on Instagram heavy at all, and I want to apologize, but I do get some DMs that ask about, you know, new questions about starting up and creating their YouTube channel and really getting going. And my first thing is to definitely send me an email to 0to1000course@gmail.com if you want more hands-on help with starting your YouTube channel, because I am working on some solutions for that. But the second question that I get in regards to starting a YouTube channel is how they should set up if they don't have the money for a camera. And guys, I gotta tell you, I record most of my videos on my phone. I think more recently, since I moved into this new space, I record on my camera because the lighting is not as good as it was at my last place, and so I find myself reaching for my Canon more. But if you are looking for a quick setup so that you can get your videos recorded, I have this new option from Paparazzo. I'm probably saying that wrong, but I like this product that I actually bought this, and I reached out to them after using the product because I thought it was such a cool feature. So this is not sponsored, but basically this is a product by them called the Olivia, and what it does is it gets you the shot, the overhead shot that you need, or maybe you want the angled shot where like you can still see the back of the wall some. It gives you that option, and I like that it has lighting included. So I'm gonna try and do this without messing it up, but it comes with a remote, which is a major key, and it looks like that. It's mirrored, which I kind of like. But basically, it has 3 options on it. One to start and stop the camera, and one to mess with the lighting on here that comes. So this is what it can do. This might be kind of loud because it's with the microphone. I'll try to turn it down. Whoa. Basically, I like it because, okay, Rochelle, can you not break it off camera? I like it because you can set up shop, and I'll just insert a pic of what it can do because I feel like it's way too much for me to try to do it on camera. But I like the lighting. It's the lighting. Lighting is what we're here for. So if you have nothing but your phone and you need to record videos, it can do that for you. And I will take pictures and insert them so that you can see what I mean. But it has the clamps so that you can put your iPhone there. and it also has the lighting feature. So let's see, let's do a test on the lighting, shall we? So you want to hold down the button. Is that the right button? Hopefully it didn't die on me and I need to recharge it. But yeah, anyway, I will insert pictures because I definitely let the battery die, but I had it charged for at least a week and I was able to record videos with it at least 3 times before it died. So I just wanted to come on here before I forgot, because I literally have been meaning to tell y'all about it. I don't usually mention video products, but I am going to start mentioning things when I hear or I see something that actually works as advertised. That's my biggest thing. I'm like, what is easy? And I noticed that the tripods that you might find on like Amazon, they do break over time. So if you're looking for something a little bit more premium, this could be the product for you. It's also very heavy, so it's actually weighted on purpose so that it will hold your phone in a sturdy manner and you can record videos. And it has lighting on the outside, but remember, if you're doing the overhead view, you'll need the lighting on the inside, so you'll be able to switch between which views and which lights you want to use. And it also has different levels of lighting that you adjust here with these arrows or with the remote, and you can take pictures, start and stop, recorded video, all that type stuff. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, and I really like it. And I reached out to them to ask them like, hey, do you have a discount in case someone who watches my content is interested in trying it? And of course they said yes. Well, not of course, but thank you for saying yes. So if you are interested in purchasing this product, I don't receive anything, but here is a coupon code Rochelle 10, and that will give you, let's see, I think that gives you 10% off. I'm literally looking at the DMs. Yes, they will get 10% off. Of course, you know, I'm going to have all the links for you below, but I just love to help and do my part in the budgeting community. So your girl saw something that was kind of cool and actually worked, and I'm like, hey, if y'all want to try it, you can. Anyway, thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video. If you made it this far to the end of the video, drop me a purple heart, just because literally I'm just in love with the color purple right now, as evidenced by I'm loving the multicolored look, period. So it's bringing me joy. I need it in my life right now, and it's all about self-care. You already know what it is over here. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.